A principal focus in Progressus PSA is the concept of the 3 Ps: people, process, and platform, all coming together to maximize personal productivity. Progressus PSA takes advantage of the Dynamics 365 Business Central platform to provide integration with other Microsoft Office products like Excel. Many of the screens in Progressus allow you to edit in Excel. To start the process, we look at the resource list. Here you can see a list of resources we have available. As I click the Change the Page button, we can also see that Edit in Excel is available. When I click this option, I see the resource file download. Once my file is downloaded, I can open this in Excel on my desktop or in Office 365. Here you see the file in Office 365 with the app that allows it already enabled. This shows me my data along with the toolbar on the right. I can make changes, add new records, or delete. When I finish making changes, I click Publish. This in turn sends the data back to Progressus, a two-way integration with Excel, enabling your people to work the way they want to work in the system, in Excel, or both. Taking advantage of the integration points to Office 365 is one of the great features that makes Progressus an optimal project management system. Progressus PSA, built in the Microsoft Cloud for people who use Microsoft Office.